Welcome, in front of me is a Galaxy Z Fold 3 and today I will show you how to enable and set up the portable hotspot. And to get started, simply pull down your notification panel and look for the hotspot toggle, which for me looks to be right over here. So once you find it, you want to hold the toggle if you're doing this the first time around, and can mobile network while what? Apparently I'm in flight mode. No, there we go. So I'll just disable it. So yeah, let's hold the hotspot toggle, which will take us to the settings, and in here we can quickly customize it. So number one, we have the hotspot password. Select configure first. So password, which we can remove. By default it's just going to be some randomly generated one. We can set our own. It does need to have 8 characters in length, at which point you will be able to save it. Then below that we have the AP band. So you have a choice between 2.4 or 5 gigahertz. I will stick with the 5. It is just going to be a faster, more stable connection, but the 2.4 might be a more viable option to some other people that use some kind of older device to connect this hotspot with. So not every device will support the 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi, and if you're not sure if yours does or does not, simply turn it on, try to connect. If the said device does not see any kind of hotspot by this name right here, then simply it just does not support it, and all you need to do is go back into the settings and change it back to 2.4 and everything should work just fine. And under advanced we have a couple additional settings that you can go over. We also have a support for Wi-Fi 6 standard, which is really nice. So if your device supports Wi-Fi 6, you can toggle it on from here as well and have even greater hotspot usability. So anyway, once you set it all up the way you want, sorry for that tongue twist, you can simply save it from here and turn it on either from here. As you can see, it shares your Wi-Fi, so you can turn it on from here or just by simply tapping on the toggle right here. Now also, once you're done with it, I do recommend you to turn it off by tapping on it, because it does consume a little bit more of your battery, and well, the Fold right here does not have the biggest battery out there, especially for the size of this device. So yeah, I would recommend you to turn it off once you're not using it. But that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.